Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to choose a right digital marketing institute if you are starting up. This is a question that you would find almost in every second video that I post. How should I start my digital marketing career? How should I choose the right institute? And if you guys are new to this channel, then let me tell you that I already have a beginner's guide to digital marketing playlist. Just go to my playlist and check out my digital marketing career advice playlist, and you would already get a lot of answers to a lot of questions that beginners ask. Okay, coming back to this video's topic, how you should choose a right digital marketing institute for yourself. I am telling you how you can do this because I have helped build a digital marketing course. I was associated with a company that was selling digital marketing courses. We were really famous. I will not take the name of the company because that's not the video topic. The video topic is about how you can choose the right institute for yourself if you're just starting up. So one thing that I'll tell you is, and this is something that I'm telling because I have spent 10 years over 10 years doing digital marketing. I have over 9 years of experience. So I already know how digital marketing works, and whatever I'm going to tell is something that I'm telling out of experience. Digital marketing is a really hands-on field, which what I mean by saying that it's a hands-on field is that you need to know how to actually run ads, how to actually do search engine optimization, how to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. Unlike sales, where all you need to do is you need to join a particular team, understand the product and start selling it. So here in digital marketing, you need to understand the product and you also need to understand the platform. By platform, I mean if you're a social media marketer, you need to understand how Facebook works or how Instagram works or how Google Ads work. So these things keep on changing. You need to have a really hands-on understanding of the platform if you want to kickstart job right away. So number one thing that you should check while taking a course is the course hands-on, which means is faculty gonna train you by demonstrating how things happen? Are you actually gonna do those things while you are studying theory? So that's my number one point while choosing. So you need to see if the institute is covering all the major topics in digital marketing. By major topics, what do I mean? Which means that the institute should at least cover major topics like search engine optimization, which will tell you how you can optimize your content for Google or how you can optimize your videos for YouTube. You should know about search engine marketing, which covers Google advertisement. So Google Ads is something Google Ads actually has monopoly, and if you're joining an institute and not learning about Google Ads, then of course you are missing the big picture of the game. So yeah, search engine marketing is something that you should learn. Social media marketing, and in social media marketing I would say all the major social media platforms should be covered like Facebook, Instagram, Quora, etc. And apart from that, email marketing is something that is something really important. It's a really affordable way to reach out to consumers. So email marketing should be covered. Then affiliate marketing, if you are joining brands that rely heavily on affiliate marketing, you should already be aware what is affiliate marketing, how is it done. YouTube marketing, you should be aware when you are studying about social media marketing. Mobile marketing, how is mobile marketing done? And while you learn all of these topics, you should also know how to do analytics in digital marketing, because analytics is the backbone of performance marketing. Why is it called performance marketing? It is called performance marketing because you can measure things. You spend a penny and you can know what is the return on investment of the marketing dollars that you have spent. So Google Analytics is extremely important. So yeah, I think these are the things, not just Google Analytics. In fact, I missed another point, that you should also know email marketing analytics, social media analytics, and Google Ad Analytics, etc. So that you are able to analyze that data and create reports, generate insights, and implement those insights in real world to perform better. So these are the broad topics. Apart from that, I think it is extremely important that you get to know about tools. So if your tools that are used in digital marketing, you should know about MailChimp, Keyword Planner. If you're looking to get into a specific field, for example, if you are looking to get into e-commerce and you want to do digital marketing for e-commerce, then you should also look for specific topics if these are covered. More often than not, really niche topics are not covered in these courses, but you can always speak to your faculty and ask these questions. So I think that's not a big deal. Many a times people come to me and ask, hey Nidhi, should we run behind brands? Is having a big brands affiliation gonna help in digital marketing certification? I would say that brand also depends. For example, I wouldn't go for digital marketing certification from IIMs or IITs, because these are colleges. They have a lot of respect and they have really big brand. But when it comes to fields like MBA and engineering, affiliation from them or faculty from there are not gonna teach you hands-on digital marketing, because these are not people who are actually doing digital marketing on the job. Digital marketing is a course that can be and should be taught by people who are actually working in the industry, because it keeps on rapidly changing. And if you are not someone who is connected to the field, you won't be able to even do justice to the theoretical knowledge. So it is extremely important that when you're choosing your course, you make sure that the institute is bringing in industry experts to teach. I would say that it is even more important than having an affiliation from a bigger brand or a bigger college or institute like IIT or. And with that, we come to our next point, which is you should not just be learning about tools and tips and tricks and how to create campaigns or how to do email blast. You should also be learning about how to create the strategy, because strategy is the base of your campaigns. You are doing it for a reason, so you should know. So what I'm trying to say is, just learning steps to do something won't help. You need to also understand the logic behind it. So that's my next point, and I think it's an important point when you're considering to take a course from a particular institute. Understand that whether they are gonna just be touching upon how to do things, or they are also gonna be touch base upon why you are doing what you are doing and how you can improvise it. What is the strategy? Would they be talking about case studies, giving you examples, what other brands have done, and how you can emulate that in your company or brand? And last but not the least, take a course which fits your pocket. So of course you can't spend just lakhs and lakhs of rupees learning digital marketing if it is not fitting in your budget. I would say that digital marketing courses are available in all sizes and forms. If you are looking to learn specific modules, you can go on sites, aggregator sites like Udemy, where you can find a course as cheap as 500 rupees to as expensive as a couple of $1,000s. If you are just starting up and you just want to take a flavor of digital marketing, you can go and check out free courses by none other than Facebook and Google. In fact, YouTube also has free course for creators. You can check it on Creators Academy. Facebook has something called as Facebook Blueprint. They have amazing case studies and really nice videos. Similarly, Google has Google Garage, where you can go and take free courses and learn Google AdWords and whatnot. So if you're just trying to dip your toes and see what is digital marketing all about, you can go and check out these free courses. Then there are several other institutes. I'm not just gonna take any names in these videos, in this video, because that's not the objective of video, but I'll insist you can go and check out other institutes that are providing courses ranging from some 30,000 to 60,000, 90,000 or and over lakhs, based on your capacity to buy. You can pick a course and not just pick a course based on the cost, but also on other parameters which are extremely important, and those parameters we have already discussed in the video, whether the course is hands-on or not, whether they are giving you a mix of practical and theoretical knowledge, whether they have the right faculty who are coming from the industry, and last but not the least, if they are telling you the strategies behind the digital marketing, and with the cost coming together, these are the things that I think you should consider while choosing a digital marketing course. And that's all for now. If you have any questions, then as usual comment down below and let me know. I make sure that I answer to each and every comment that I receive. So just comment and let me know.